Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to the world of digital currencies or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will walk you through the basics, from depositing money into a cryptocurrency exchange to using a crypto wallet securely. Let's get started. Understanding cryptocurrency. Before we dive into the practical steps, let's briefly cover the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. Now let's go step by step on how to exchange money for cryptocurrency and deposit it into your own secure cryptocurrency wallet. Part 1. Put money in the crypto place. Crypto exchange. Choose a crypto exchange. Select a platform like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Uniswap, or Kraken. Think of it as a digital store where you can buy special digital money. Create a crypto exchange account. Sign up on the chosen exchange platform just like you would when setting up an email or social media account. They'll need some basic information from you and you'll create a secure password. Make a strong password. Verification. To ensure security, you might need to provide some identification documents like your driver's license or passport. It's a bit like showing your ID when you open a bank account. Link a payment method. Next, link your bank account or credit card to your exchange account. This allows you to move your regular money into the exchange. Deposit money now. You can deposit your regular money, like dollars or euros, into your exchange account. It's similar to putting money into a bank account. Choose a cryptocurrency. In the exchange, you'll see various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Decide which one you want to buy. Buy cryptocurrency. Use the money in your exchange account to purchase the cryptocurrency you picked. It's as simple as clicking a button. Part 2. Keep it safe in a digital wallet. Get a crypto wallet. Think of this as a digital piggy bank. You can use a wallet app like MetaMask or Trust Wallet on your phone or computer. Alternatively, you can purchase a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano S or Trezor for added security. Set up the wallet. If you choose a software wallet, you'll need to download and set up the app. For a hardware wallet, follow the instructions that come with it. Withdraw from the exchange. Back in the exchange, there's an option to withdraw your cryptocurrency. Use this to send your digital money from the exchange to your crypto wallet. Wallet address. The wallet will give you a unique address, kind of like your digital home address. This is where you'll send your cryptocurrency from the exchange. Confirm the transfer. Double-check everything and confirm the transfer. It's like putting your digital money in your digital piggy bank. Keep it secret. Protect your wallet's secret keys or recovery phrases. These are like your treasure maps. Don't share them with anyone. That's it. You've used a specific crypto exchange like Coinbase, Crypto.com, or Uniswap to turn your regular money into digital coins, secured them in a digital wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or in a physical wallet like Ledger Nano S. Remember to keep your secret code safe and be cautious with your investments. Consider using extra security measures like two-factor authentication to keep your investments secure. If this was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.